Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you can't see behind me, we have Granspec in the house. So I apologise for the wind noise through the volume. So you can see the old Granspec if you haven't worked her out. She's on the road, son. So she's all registered. She passed over the pits last Monday, sorry. So she's on the road and driving. So I'll flick over and do some glam shots. So I'll just do a quick outro. So like I said, Granspec's on the road and registered now. We're going to get a bit of seat time in her, do a bit of driving, and then work out what we're going to do with her. But I've got a couple of options in mags to put on it, as well as we may consider, and probably will, get the windows tinted just to keep the sun out. But thanks again for watching the videos. Like, share and subscribe, and the next one will be basically a start to present photo slideshow. So have a look at that and check out the progress of Granspec, and yeah, we'll get back to you. So thanks again, and hopefully we'll get one up before the new year, but if not, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and all that, and we'll catch you in 2022. And it's looking to be jam-packed with sporting events and motor events and races. So thanks for watching again. Let's get those subs up, get those likes, get those shares up, and let's get this channel booming. So thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next one.